Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. So today I would like to show you guys a case that reported to us few days ago. This patient had done a silver filling 10 years back, and now he has come back to us with a severe pain and a broken tooth. Now he had not visited to us or any dentist for the past 10 years. So let's have a look about this case. This is how the patient reported to us, and this is the amalgam filling or silver filling which was done 10 years ago. Looks to be fine except in some areas like these. One advantage of the silver fillings are that it stays for a very long time. But after few years, this is what happens. Scary, right? Well, what most of the patient doesn't understand that these amalgams over a period of time causes micro cracks in the tooth such as these, eventually causing the tooth to fracture. Amalgams do stay for a very long time, but after few years there won't be much tooth left to be repaired, which is the biggest drawback. Hence, please get the amalgams changed to the tooth-friendly fillings जैसे कि composite restorations, मतलब दांत के कलर के filling. Though these fillings doesn't have much life compared to amalgams, if maintained well, it stays for a long time. But if it fails, at least the tooth is safe to be repaired in future, since only the material breaks and not the tooth. Look at the amount of decay present below the filling and also the amount of damage it has done. Areas that I've marked on the tooth shows numerous cracks which are present because of amalgam. Now all this has happened because of the patient's neglect and thus making dentistry expensive for himself, since now more advanced treatment have to be performed to save the tooth and get back to its function. This is the final result ready for full coverage restoration like ceramic onlay, जिसके बारे में I'll explain in my upcoming videos, like how it's so much better for the tooth than doing full crown. So please take care of your tooth and have a regular checkup done at least once in 6 months to make sure everything is proper. Bacteria doesn't know if a tooth is healthy or filled or root canal treated, etc. etc. It can affect a tooth so badly if it's left unnoticed. So guys, please brush and floss your tooth and do regular dental checkups. Thank you.